So big news coming in on that note. RSS ideologue Gurumurthy there clarifies on his sewage water analogy. Says, how is it amounting to supporting Amma DMK, which I regarded as mafia? I can't really understand. I still regard Amma DMK as Manargudi mafia, as someone had said once. In fact, even if they become part of the BJP ADMK alliance, I will regard them as only mafia, like we regarded Chandaswamy as Siva. In fact, we in Tughlaq will continue to regard Manargudi family as mafia, and they would turn AIDMK into a family-owned affair like the DMK did. Our opinion on them will not change, and this is to clarify the state our position, because not the mischievous construction put on what I had said. Don't misconstrue on what I said is more or less what Gurumurthy says. Let me cut across to Pramod Madhav joining us for more details on that. Pramod, here is RSS ideologue Gurumurthy there, clarifying on his analogy, speaking about Amma DMK. Take us through what he really means with his clarification. What was the statement and what's the clarification?
Well, the statement looks entirely different from his clarification, because just as we now played, he said that the way to remove DMK from power is like, for that you have to bring in people like Sasikala, and for that only he gave this analogy about Arun Shui claiming that, like, when your house is burning, you cannot only wait for Ganga Jal, you have to even throw sewage water at it, and that is my way, that is my thought. That's how, the first statement from Gurumurthy was. But however, now he's giving a kind of an entirely different clarification to it, and he's claiming that Sasikala's family is still a mafia family, and in a different way he's saying that, just like you quoted, that just comparing Sasikala or any person to sewage water doesn't mean that we are looking for their support. This is how he's trying to provide an explanation, but the explanation does not add up to whatever he said yesterday, because the question was very simple: what should be done to remove DMK from power? Only for that he gave that answer, quoting Arun Shuri and taking Sasikala's name, but now he's giving a different explanation to it.
Right, Pramod, thank you very much for joining us with those details. There you have it, where the RSS ideologue at a staged anniversary of Tughlaq magazine spoke about how Sasikala, almost likening her to gutter water, that she could also be used if in case the AIADMK, almost indicating that if the AIADMK wants to enter an alliance and come to power back again, then you sometimes will also have to ally with possibly Sasikala, more or less a connotation there. But here is a clarification. We heard from Pramod Madhav on what Gurumurthy had to say.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.